Huawei Mate 60 Pro just launched few days ago. Fast refresh rate, all 4-side curved OLED display, variable aperture, flagship camera setup, superb in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. Let's remove the plastic of the box and open the lid. And the first thing we find in the Huawei Mate 60 Pro phone, after removing the plastic wrap from the phone, we see the phone here is white and silver color. The bottom part is in silver and you will also find the same color on the frame. The top area is made of glass and you can see it from the sides. The display has 4 curved edges which gives the phone a premium look. You get a 2.7D curved screen. Please let me know in the comment section which screen you prefer, a curved screen or a flat screen. Now looking at the rest of the box content, inside this cardboard box you will find the user manual and clear case. The case here has a matte finish and open from the both sides. There is an 88-watt power adapter including with the both Type C and Type A output. This is quite handy as you can charge your phone with any cable. But please note that trying to charge with both the ports simultaneously won't work. You can use either one of the charging ports. So here you don't get a Type C to C cable. Instead you receive a Type C to A cable. That's all you get in the box. Now let's talk about the phone's design. The phone looks quite attractive, which back that doesn't have the right angle. The frame is curved, but the back is only slightly curved. It resembles a design similar to the Samsung's phone. The phone weight is 225 grams and has a thickness of 8.1 mm, making it relatively heavy, which might pose a slight challenge for a single-handed operation. When you start the phone, you will notice that the first time Huawei's phone offer a 5G connectivity and that too with a Kirin processor. This is a notable change as Huawei's phone did not have a 5G connectivity for the past 3 years. As for the operating system, the phone runs on Huawei's in-house HarmonyOS 4.0. Moving on to the front of the phone, you will see the unique 3 dots which are there for the camera and the 3D sensor. For biometric security, the phone features an under-the-display fingerprint sensor which is positioned lower on the screen. Indeed, it's an optical fingerprint sensor, so it may take a little time to recognize your fingerprint. Additionally, the phone also offers an Apple-like Face ID features for biometric authentication. The phone boasts a massive 6.82-inch LTPO OLED display with slightly lower resolution at 1.5K, but it compensates with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. You have the option to convert the 3-punch hole into a capsule notch if you prefer. Turning to the camera setup, the phone features a rear-facing triple camera setup where the main camera is 50 megapixel sensor equipped with a variable aperture. You will find a secondary 48 megapixel periscope telephoto sensor and the third 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. In the camera setup, I will be providing a detailed camera review in the video coming up in the next 2-3 days. So stay connected with our channel for full review. Now talking about the performance of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, it is powered by the in-house Kirin 9000S processor which falls in the mid-segment category and is built on a Pi nm fabrication process. The highest variant of the phone offers a 1 TB of storage and 12 gigs of RAM. When it comes to the phone's battery, it comes equipped with the 5000 mAh battery. For charging, you have supported 88-watt wire charging, which can charge the battery to 100% in just 30 minutes. Additionally, there is a 50-watt wireless charging support and 20-watt reverse wireless charging support. Now discussing the price of Huawei Mate 60 Pro, the starting price for the 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage variant is 6,999 in Chini Yuan. When converted to sterling pound, is approximately around 767 pound in UK and 960 US dollars. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb display and camera. While the design is also quite impressive, however, the performance may be considered average. Friends, I will be bringing you a detailed review of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro very soon, so stay connected with our channel for full review. Now, I would like to hear your thoughts. Which feature did you find most appealing and what price range do you think it should be launched in UK? Please share your opinion in the comment section below. So friends, be the first to see the latest technology updates and to participate in our next giveaway. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.